The Series 7 digital force gauges from MARK-10 are designed for professional use, specifically in high-speed data capture of tension and compression measurements. With an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1%, sample rate of 14,000 Hz, and max load of 500 newtons, this gauge can capture and record up to 5,000 data points, giving you extremely high-resolution results to analyze with the included Measure Light data acquisition software. A variety of data outputs are available. The Series 7 features first and second peak detection, as well as a variety of operating modes. It can be used in freehand or in combination with test stands such as the ESM303. This allows for easy setup of brake testing, cycling, limit testing, load holding, elongation testing, tensile testing, compression testing, and more. The Series 7 is the top of the line from MARK-10. Other Series 2, 3, 4, and 5 force gauges are available for a fraction of the cost, but don't have the accuracy or the sampling rate that makes the Series 7 special. To see the full line of MARK-10 force gauges and accessories, visit our shop in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and enable alerts for more product overviews from Flexible Assembly.